In this video I will show you how to delete message on Pinterest mobile app. So let's start. First open the app and then go down here and click on this message icon. This is our message or conversation and we want to delete it. If you hold on this message, nothing is gonna happen. So just click on it. And if you see these three dots here, click on it again. And now we got three options. We can hide conversation, report this conversation, or block users. If you even try to delete it, like if you hold it on this you or on this hello, you can delete this message. So I found only way how to delete or make it disappear this message is when you hide it. And when you hide the conversation, you will not able to see this conversation again, even if you refresh it, okay? So now your message is not deleted, but it's hidden, okay? And if you wanna your message back on your conversation back here, so you just click on this name or click message, and now your conversation will not appear again. You need to send something. So I will send hello, okay? And now your conversation is back. So this is guys only the way how to do it. Unfortunately, there is no feature for deleting messages. I didn't find it. So this is how can you do it. You can hide conversation and it will not appear here again. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you have some questions or if you want to do more content like this, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye bye.